Here's an interesting one about the types of watches that the super wealthy are into. Kind of surprising. You may expect, Will, that these guys are rocking some super expensive $100,000 type of watch.
Yeah.
But it turns out, unlike the rappers of the world, they're a little bit more low key. Some of them.
Oh.
The curious one on this list is actually Bill Gates, who's caught recently wearing a Casio.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna say something funny like he bought it off a 25-cent.
No. He had a $69.95 Casio.
Okay.
Which apparently is a pretty good value. It's a 200-meter diver watch. People say it's actually a good bang for the buck, but he's caught wearing that. You kind of wonder why, don't you? Steve Jobs in that famous image there, he had a Seiko watch on, which is not super exclusive Japanese watch. I actually had a Seiko watch when I was a kid. And they're going to re-release that one in Japan as a special edition. Tim Cook, obviously wearing an Apple Watch, as you would, but he's the only one on this particular list not wearing a traditional watch, but instead wearing a smartwatch. That's something I think is kind of stand out to people. It might be a standout thing. Right. These are tech CEOs, and they're not all gravitating towards smartwatches. Another cool one, if you scroll down a little further, Elon Musk, he every so often wears a SpaceX tag collaboration watch a little further down after Tim Cook. So his SpaceX project collaborated with which watch company? Oh, Tag. Yeah, I just said that. With Tag to put out this special edition where they gifted it to him. And he doesn't wear it all the time. It's a limited edition Carrera caliber 1887 SpaceX chronograph. And they gave that to him back in 2012, and he's spotted occasionally wearing it. I like this one because it has a personalized component. First Swiss watch in space. And I believe over on the left-hand side there is some sort of a jet engine or some sort of propulsion system. Yeah. Cool. So that's cool. I mean, it's got the personalized. That's probably my favorite one of the bunch, personalized characteristic. And then also, Zuckerberg, no watch. No watch. You don't need a watch when you're Zuckerberg. So, interesting little find there.